Welcome to my channel. Linksys Velop AX4200 Setup. Modern mesh Wi-Fi systems like the Linksys Velop AX4200 are made to provide blazingly fast and dependable internet coverage all across your house. The next-generation Wi-Fi 6 technology allows for incredibly fast support for many devices at once. 1. Launch the Linksys software. 2. Watch for a purple tint to the node light. 3. Select Set up a new Wi-Fi network from the Linksys app once your node has a solid purple glow. 4. Turn on Bluetooth if asked. 5. You accept the terms conditions by pressing the button. Six. Click the menu and choose Velop. 7. Once your node has been adjusted as necessary, click Next. 8. Observe the instructions displayed on the screen. 9. The node and modem should be connected. 10. Click the Yes button if the Linksys AX4200 starts to blink purple. 11. Click the Login button once your Linksys server account has been created. Thank you for watching.